Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ekisna, and in today's video, we will learn how to install Zimbra Mail and get a free SSL certificate, all on CentOS 7. Okay, I have installed an old Zimbra server here on CentOS 7. I will install SSL on it like this and show you, look here now. Note Secure is coming. Okay, I will reload it and show it to you. Reload, and even then, if you are getting Note Secure here, then you will install SSL on it, and after that, I will show you. I will run it and show you. Look here, all the services are running here. Okay, and at this time, I am using Linode here. This is my IP. Okay, this IP, and here, I am logged in. See, this is the Linode IP, and the root username is here. I am logged in. Okay, so first of all, we open the terminal here. And this is the domain name. I have logged in here, and I have put all these details in it. DNS, etc. are fine. I have placed in a record, I have placed an MX record. Okay, and it is necessary to subscribe here. Okay, so first of all, I have given the commands here. You just have to copy and paste them here. Put your domain wherever I say. That's all you have to do. After that, copy the second command. And this link can be found in the description, so go from there and copy this link. Copy this command and paste it in the command line here. Type UI here, click enter. OK, and type and click enter. OK, after this, the next command is to enable the installed command. Copy it. Next command, pack here, paste it. I will do it again from here, paste the copy, click enter. This is done. After that, copy-paste the next command, click enter. Okay, after this, you have to reboot because whenever you will ask for the next command, then nothing will happen here, that is, note here. So, first of all, you have to reboot. Okay, after reboot, if you want to get this command, so I will first reboot the system. You simply have to write reboot, and your system will reboot. Now, see, if it is rebooted, then it has got disconnected, and as soon as the reboot completes, the connection will come automatically here. So, after reboot, here it is getting connected again. Okay, let's open our terminal again, and let's run this command now. Copy it and paste, click enter. See, this is also getting installed. In the previous one, an error had come here because you had not done that reboot, so after rebooting, you have to run this command. Okay. So, this is done. After that, I copy the second command, paste it, click enter. These are also getting installed. After that, let's copy this command. After that, the next command here. Let's do this. Paste, click enter. Let it install. After that, this command. Copy, you just have to copy, paste, paste. Well, there will be some changes, I will tell you. Enter. After that, what you have to do here, this is this much command. Okay, whatever you will see here, I have put it here. So there are this many commands, you have to copy and paste it here. Click enter. Now, the preview that I have shown below, how will you see it? You can see it here, like. It is saying email ID, so you have to enter any email ID. So like if I enter something, I catch nada. After that, it is asking if it is here, then you have to agree. I do that agree here. After that, it is asking for domain name. Okay, so let us enter the domain name. This is the domain name, so you put both of them here. Put one here. Mail.domain, give a space and only domain. So, I have put two things here. So mail.domain is my domain, one only domain. Okay. One means it is with all the domains, one is the main domain. I have put two here. You will have to put a space in between. If you want to put cells like this on both, then after that, enter it here. After installing, these things are done here. After that, you have to come again here. And scroll down and see in the installing certificate thing, here you have to copy this command. You have to copy it and enter it in Notepad once. Put it in Notepad and see here whether the domain is different in this. So you have to put your domain here. Whatever your domain is, put your domain here. So I will put it here, paste. Okay, I will do this command, copy now. I pasted it, clicked and entered. Okay, after that, there is the second command. In that, if your domain is not a system with some domain, then copy it as it is, put it here. Okay, this is done. After that, copy this command and paste it, click enter. What in the next command? What is this name here? You will have to put that domain, so I will paste it here above, and my domain is this one. Okay. So I will put my domain here, paste it, copied this command, pasted it here, click enter. After that, here. This verify your certificate, copy the command that is in it, paste it. After that, you will have to enter your domain in this command here. I will paste it here and enter my domain in it. Pasted, copied it and pasted it here. After that, come to the CS mode here, copy and paste it here. After that, do the next command, copy, paste is gone here. You just have to copy paste. Wherever you see a different domain, you have to enter your domain there. Now, what you have to do is log in as a Zimbra user. So earlier you were as root, now you have logged into Zimbra. Okay. After that, what you have to do is run this command. cd means you have to go to this folder. You pasted this and you have come to this folder. Now what you have to do is copy this command and put it. You have to click enter. This is done. After that, come to deploy certificate here. There are so many commands here. Let's copy paste it. That is click intro. Okay, so this is fold. Let's go and encrypt the overwrite. Say it like this. After that, come to the next command. Let's do this. Copy paste it here. Click enter. So now our SSL certificate is getting installed. And after that, you will see something like this here. Preview, which is visible here. After that, what you have to do is you restart all the services of Zimbra. So what you have to do is simply type zm control restart. And all their services will first stop and then start, so Zimbra will start. After that, we will check here whether the SSL certificate is completely installed or not, so let it restart first. All these services are also getting stopped and then they start again, so all this happens with this zm control restart command. So here, zm control has been restarted. See, all the services first stopped and then started, so everything has been done here. Now, let's check here. Let's click on reload. So, ours is also getting reloaded. Okay, it is not showing here, so do this once. Go to the Copy and Private tab and check. But in normal type, it shows the old one because of cookies, so I click on Paste in Do. And look here, our SSL has been installed. You saw this on this subdomain of ours, now check it on our main domain as well. Don't forget to install HTTPS first. Check on the main domain as well, our SSL has been installed. So like this, you can install complete SSL. I have installed it on both the domains here, subdomain and main domain. Okay, and here when it is not in your normal browser, then you must run it in the private tab and see, because here it will keep showing the old one to you. Because due to the keys, it gets displayed as the old one, or otherwise, go to settings here and do it by clearing the keys. So, step by step, I have put the entire process here. And now you can also do auto renewal of this. The free one is for some time, for 3 to 4 months, so you can run this command. Its renewal will keep happening again and again. As soon as the free one expires, it will get renewed. So, how to do it from here? So, here you have to type exit, enter. So, what here? Earlier we were in Zimbra user, now we have come back to root, only then you have to run this command. Here, it is that after that, your auto renewal will keep happening automatically. So this is how you can install the SSL certificate. I have told you this on CentOS 7. I will tell you on Ubuntu also. You must try the CentOS 7. And I have already made a video of its installation, so you must watch that as well. I have made 8 videos with Zimbra related content. When you scroll down here, you will see this. How to add a domain, how to add its class of service, how to add a user, how to do DKIM. I have told all this here, so you must subscribe to the channel here. And many more videos related to Zimbra are going to come, and thanks for watching the video.